y'all, welcome back to my bathroom. My name's Brittnee. I'm a real hairdresser, but today I'm gonna be showing you an easy way to cut rigid Bardot bangs in your bathroom by yourself. Before we get started, make sure you like, subscribe, unsubscribe, dislike, who cares? I post new cheap tricks for you every single week, twice a week here in my bathroom. So to get started, we're gonna be doing a middle part, and I'll link all the products or tools I'm using in the description box below. We're gonna be taking a triangle subsection for our bang or fringe area. You don't want your bang area to go all the way back here, so be mindful of that. We're just doing a little bit. And you'll want to go ahead and clip the rest of this back. You don't want to get confused and accidentally cut into your length. You can cut this wet or dry. I'm going to actually cut mine wet. So now we're going to comb all this straight down. And you're going to take this all together, marry it in the middle, and we're going to twist this. I'm going to use the tip of my nose as a reference point of how much I'm going to cut off, but you want to be mindful if you're cutting these wet that they are going to shrink up. Now we're going to take our scissors or shears and we're going to cut. It needs to be against your face. You don't want to over direct out here, even though that's easier to see. We need to cut against the face. And you're just cutting a straight line. Now, when we unravel this, it's going to be longer on the sides and shorter in the middle. These are a little bit longer than what I would like, so I'm gonna go ahead and recut. And I would suggest you do the same, just constantly recut instead of going in straight for the kill. This will help you avoid any kind of mistakes or getting too short of bangs. And I'm actually going to recut them one more time. Twist it, recut. Now once we've got a basic shape of our bangs, we can go through and refine these or texturize them. And we're gonna do that by point cutting. So you just take small sections, take your scissor or shear, and just go up and down. We don't wanna change the shape, we just wanna cut the little tips or ends of the hair to feather it so it's not so blunt. Now I'm gonna go through and use a round brush and style these and then curl the rest of my hair in a 70s-esque way. But this would be the time if you wanted to add face framing layers, you would do this now. And I have a video up here that you can watch if you wanna do that. I'm gonna actually leave mine in a disconnect, meaning bangs and then a drop off to my length. Perfect. So they've got a nice texture. They're right below the brow. They're short going to long. You can wear them in the middle or you can wear them parted out. All right, folks, that's it. Super simple technique that you can duplicate on yourself, by yourself, in your bathroom. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box and make sure you subscribe, unsubscribe, like, dislike. I post new cheap tricks for you twice a week, every week. I will see you next week for something cool. Something cool.